guys, good morning to everyone. Welcome back our channel. It's me again, JERLIE, isang OFW sa Dubai. So today we are vlog for another video about for the hair, how to maintain your hair, growing healthy and shine. So today we are the vlog. So before that, don't forget like, share, and subscribe my video. And then disclaimer lang tayo, kung ayaw nyong manonood ng video, pwede nyong is-skip. So let me start. So today we are the review the product. This again. So this is for the conditioner for the hair. So mostly we using conditioner, shampoo, and then conditioner. So, ito yung ginagamit kong conditioner for my hair. How to maintain my hair healthy and shine. Ganyan, ito yun. So, kasi dito, binili ko dito sa UAE, itong conditioner, kasi nga naka-sale din ito. Yun guys. So, this is the 500 ml. The name is the Syoss Professional Performance. This is for the repair therapy conditioner. Yun guys. Yan. This is made in Tunisia. The Repair Therapy 2 conditioner is improve the quality, health, and prevent the future damage, rebuild the strength, the hair to for 90 less hair breakage. Yun guys. And then ito ay 5 ml made in Tunisia. Yun guys. Itong conditioner is Syoss is Kera-Lifted technology for the salon like hair everyday. This is Syoss technology recommended. So mostly yung mga galing sa salon, ito yung ginagamit nila. Yan guys. Yan. So you can try this guys. So because this product, I'm using this product every day in my life when I'm going shower. Yun guys. So ito yun. Itatry nyo din to guys kasi nga maganda din siya and then mabango pa sa buhok. Yan. This is Syoss Repair Therapy Conditioner. Yun guys. Mura lang dito. Kasi nga, naka-sale siya dito. Regular price is 25 dirhams. Ganyan. Ito siya, guys. Ito, guys. So, marami din siyang klase kung anong conditioner na gusto nyo. Pero ito yung gusto ko. Yan. This is good for the, what is this? Good for the, yung hair mo ay dry, ito yung gagamitin mo. Yan guys. Yan. Ito yung gamitin mo yung kapag yung buhok mo ay nagiging dry, then damage, ito yung gagamitin mo na conditioner. Yun. Kasi marami din siyang makikita nyo sa online, ganyan, na marami siyang klase na Syoss na professional na conditioner. Pero ito yung nagustuhan ko kasi nga repair therapy for the hair. Kasi kapag lagi kang nasa pasalon yung buhok, ganyan, and then masisira din yung buhok mo, magiging patay siya. Yun guys. So, kaya it's better na gagamit tayo ng conditioner or the hair mask. Yan guys, for the treatment for the hair. Yun guys. So, hope mayroon kayong natutunan today about my vlog. How to hair to maintain the shine and growing up the healthy. So that's all guys. Shout out to my family Falales. Hello. So welcome home my bro. Isang OFW din. So hello guys, yung mga family ko sa Pilipinas, family Falales, yung mga auntie ko, mga kapatid ko, at saka pamangkin ko na pinapanood nila yung video ko din. Yun guys. And then mga kaibigan ko dito sa Dubai, shout out. Mga organic friends sa YT, shout out. Din mga kasamahan ko sa grupo, shout out din. And then mga new subscriber, shout out. And then mga all subscribers, shout out. Yun guys, so maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Ito po ang iyong tagapaglingkod, Miss JERLIE, isang OFW sa Dubai. And then, have a nice day. Happy Monday. Bye-bye.